गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भवताप प्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्तये ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिन्ने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः। जय माँ। Today's question. It says, is it possible to do complete surrender to God while living as a grahast? Of course it is possible. See, surrender has nothing to do with what varna you are in, whether you are in a grahasti or whether you are anything else. It doesn't matter. It's not about where you live or what you do. It's an internal thing, right? Surrender comes from inside. So even if you're a grahasti, I've seen so many people, grahastis, especially my father, my own father. He was a grahasti, but he was a complete surrender stage, where he was doing his normal duties and everything, but he had left everything to Ma. Nothing came in the way. First of all, you need to understand surrender क्या है. माँ ने बहुत अच्छा बोला था, जो मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया है. Ma says that if in your house you have a husband, think he's Shiv. If you have a wife, that is Parvati. If you have a son, that is Gopal. And if you have a daughter, that is Gauri. What does it mean? I have explained before also, but I'm repeating. Everything is Bhagwan. So if you're doing seva for your husband, if you have surrendered, you will feel you're doing seva for Bhagwan only. और कोई है ही नहीं ना, सभी भगवान के स्वरूप है. So you're doing seva for Bhagwan in the form of Shiv, Parvati, Gauri, Gopal, whatever. That bhav has to come within you. Then whatever you do, household duties you do cooking, cleaning, washing, making beds, dusting, whatever you do, your mind should be totally in God. माँ मैं हो जाओ, अगर माँ में ही स्थित रहो, you are surrender. Then you are not thinking of the consequence. If I do this, will I get this? If I do this, will this be the result? That goes away in surrender. Then माँ जो करे वो सब ठीक. That bhav comes in. So surrender, of course you can do surrender, There are lots of saints which I know of who surrender. What is really surrender? Okay, it's very difficult to do that. They go for bhiksha, right? And bhiksha bol leke jate hain, and they get whatever rukha sukha, whatever people give them, they eat that. That is for the day. It's like supposing lunch and dinner. So for the lunch they will have that. Then again for dinner they will go for bhiksha. And dinner mein agar ek mirchi bhi reh gayi in the bowl, which they are not able to eat, supposing, they don't keep it for the next day. It's all gone. They give it away to Pashu Pakshi or whatever. So they have nothing in hand. That is surrender. The real surrender. They don't care what is going to happen tomorrow. Tomorrow if they get food, they get bhiksha, fair enough. If they don't get it, that is also fair enough. Why? Because that is complete surrender to God. That they are not thinking कि हम कैसे जिंदा रहेंगे. How will we maintain ourselves? How will we maintain our house? How will we pay the rent? How will we do this and how will we do that? They're not worried about that. That is complete surrender. So if you ask a huge question like this, is it possible to do complete surrender to God? First you need to understand what is complete surrender. It's impossible for people to do. बहुत बड़े साधक भी जो होते हैं ना, complete surrender नहीं हो पाता है. But mentally, you have to begin somewhere. Mentally, if you tell yourself, okay, I am not going to rely on the fruits of my action. I'm going to do my actions because those are the duties I have to perform in this life. So I will do my duties as a seva to Bhagwan. Why? Because I want to surrender to God. And I'm not going to wait for the result. I will do my best. I will do everything that is necessary, but without expectation of anything. If that comes in, yes, then there is nothing like grahasti hai, ke vanaprastha hai, ke brahmachari hai, ke jo bhi hai. Those things don't come in the way. Again, repeatedly I'm saying the same thing. It is your internal journey, nothing external. अंदर से आपको क्या होता है वही है, ये बाह्य जगत का कुछ भी नहीं है. सरेंडर इज ऑल इंटरनल प्रोसेस, एंड इफ यू गेट दैट, नथिंग लाइक इट. So it's a lot of, it doesn't happen just because you think about it. It happens because you do a lot of sadhana और धीरे धीरे छट जाता है. जैसे माँ ने बोला है, नाम में सब कुछ. If you go on repeating the name of God, your Isht or whatever, that name itself will eradicate every other desire or expectation or emotion or anything that you are living with. All the sanskars, which I've already spoken about. नाम में सब कुछ है. सो सरेंडर क्या होता है? नाम करते जाओ करते जाओ करते जाओ. गो ऑन रिपीटिंग द नेम ऑफ द लॉर्ड और हुएवर इज योर इष्ट इज. मामा करते जाओ. धीरे 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 एवरीथिंग जस्ट गोज अवे एंड यू जस्ट कंप्लीट सरेंडर. बिकॉज यू नो नथिंग इज इन योर हैंड्स. वी आर जस्ट अ पपेट ऑन अ स्ट्रिंग. वो डोर खींचती है, चलाती है, तब हम लोग करते हैं. That's all. It's not our will. It's not our effort. All this talk also I'm doing, do you think it's my will? Or you think I'm able to do all this? That I'm capable of this? No. Because she's making me do it, I'm able to do it. Do you think I can do so much cooking? No. उसकी मर्जी होगी तभी हो रहा है. उसकी मर्जी जिस दिन नहीं होगी, my cooking channel will shut down. My lectures will shut down because as it is, my lectures are getting over now. You know, if people have interesting questions, I can go on answering. But otherwise, if people don't ask questions, I have nothing more to say as far as my journey is concerned. My cooking channel will go on because I'm cooking every day. And that too, if Ma says no, now enough, then it will shut down. मेरी मर्जी नहीं है, अपनी मर्जी नहीं चलती है. That is surrender. Okay, if you want me to do it, I'll continue. If you don't want me to do it, I will discontinue. I'm not expecting anything. I keep telling you people subscribe, because if you want to see more, subscribe. And if Ma doesn't want you to subscribe, you won't subscribe. What can I do? Because I've left everything to her. Similarly, if you want to surrender as a grahasti, you have to begin. Not talk. You see, otherwise what happens is, every time it's like a drawing room talk. Is it possible to do this? Is it possible to do that? Why do you ask so many questions? Ask yourself, can I surrender? And what is the meaning of surrender? I need to surrender. Okay, I need to surrender. तो कहाँ से मैं शुरू करूं? नाम करो, साधना करो, जप करो, ध्यान करो. Devote time to that. Then you will come to a stage where you can say, I have surrendered. It doesn't happen because of a conversation. It doesn't happen in a social gathering where you say, I feel like doing this. Okay, you feel like doing this. What is happening? Nothing. The exercise, abhyas, is our. We have to do it. We have to make the effort and do it. Surrender is not that easy. Mentally हम बोलेंगे हम surrender हो गए. I have surrendered to Ma. Have you? I've heard so many people saying that to me. I have completely surrendered to Ma. But tomorrow when we fall sick, we are not surrendering. We are saying, this is happening, that is happening. What happened to the surrender? I know of one sadhak. Okay, he's no more in his body. He had last stage cancer in our ashram, Ma's ashram. And he was constantly in pain. His stomach had become like a stick. And I used to meet him all the time in Kankhal and I would say, my God, what are you doing? He says, क्या करना है? कुछ भी नहीं. So I said, are you going to a doctor? Are you taking some medicine? Or are you checking yourself? What is the problem? And he says, मुझे मालूम है problem क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं. He says, I go to the samadhi and I just take Ma's charnamrut and I drink it. And that day I'm fine. My pain goes away temporarily. Next day again, if it comes up again, I'll go and take the charnamrut. मैंने तो माँ पे छोड़ दिया है. Surrender. He did not take any medicine. He did not go to any doctor. One doctor told him, you are last stage of cancer. He said, fine. He's no more today. But look at his attitude. I was amazed when he said this to me. There are people like that. दे डोंट बॉदर अबाउट, ये बोले शरीर है वो तो निकल जाएगा ना, उससे हमें क्या करना है, सरेंडर. So that's that. Jai Ma. It's difficult, but try. Begin somewhere. ओम भवताप प्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्तये ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिन्ने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः. जय मां, जय मां.